This is question 21 on the foundation non-calculator paper. Reading the question first. Felicity asked 100 students how they came to school one day. Each student walked, came by bicycle, or came by car. 49 of the 100 students are girls. 10 of the girls came by car. 16 boys walked. 21 of the 41 students who came by bicycle are boys. Work out the total number of students who walked to school. Now, this is a bit like a puzzle, right? So it's quite a lot of information, and it's really difficult to just handle this as it is. So what I'm going to do is I need to recognize first that this is a two-way table type question, because there are two sort of things we're looking at. We're looking at people who walked to school, came by bicycle, came by car, and we're looking at boys and girls. So I'm going to construct a two-way table to show this, right? So on my two-way table, I'm going to have a section for people who came by walking, people who came by bicycle, and people who came by car. And then on the other side, I'm going to represent boys and girls. And at the end of both the columns, I'm going to have a total section. Okay, so let me just write that in. And first of all, complete this two-way table. Okay, it doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be enough for us to understand what we're doing and make sure we communicate that. So I'm going to just write over this again. So that's people who came by walking, bicycle, and car, and that's total. And that's boys, and that's girls. And that is total. Okay, so we could see those. Now I'm going to go through all the bits of information, making sure I put it in there, every single number. So there were 100 students all together. I'm going to put 100 over here. So the total all together is 100. 49 of the 100 students are girls. So 49 of all of them are girls. So this total here is going to be 49. I'm not going to work anything out yet. I'm just going to put all the numbers in. 10 of the girls came by car. So that is going to go in this row here and under the car column. So that's going to be 10. 16 of the boys walked. So of the boys, 16 of them walked to school. And 21 of the 41 students who came by bicycle are boys. So 21 of the total 41 who came by bicycle were boys. So the total number of people who came by bicycle was 41, and 21 of them were boys. And remember, the question says work out the total number of students who walked to school. So the total number of students who walked to school, I want to work out this here. Right, so I'm going to always keep in mind what I need to find in these questions. So let's break this down. I'm going to write down the numbers that I find in pencil, but you should write these down in pen. I'm going to write them in pencil so you could see what I've worked out. That's 21, that's 41, so this number here must be 20. And if that's 20 and that's 10, 20 add 10 is 30. 49 take away 30 is 19. So this number here must be 19. And actually I could work this out now. Work out the total number of students who walked to school. 16 add 19. So I'm going to just do that at the side. 16 add 19. 6 add 9 is 15. Carry 1. 1, 2, 3. So in this case 35 pupils walk to school. And don't just leave your answer there. I'm going to write it in the answer space down at the bottom of the question, right? So it's clear what my answer is. Now this is or can be quite a complicated question. Do take your time do break it down into stages, and definitely draw a table to work out your answer. I don't need to waste time working out the other blanks, right? The question wanted me to work out the total number of people who walk to school, right? You wouldn't get any more marks for working out the rest. Make sure you can do it. Make sure you can get full marks in it.